Hello, today I'll be showing you how to set up and configure advanced pay-per-view packages. I have created two playlists, Playlist 1 and Playlist 2. To enter the configuration pane for each video, I will need to click on the PPV button, and then navigate from Free to Watch to Paid Password Protected, and then click Advanced Packages. I will then need to create my new advanced package, giving it a title. In this case, I have named it Time Restrictions Package. Once I have saved the package, I will then need to create the tickets which will then be tied to this package for later use. In this case, I have created a ticket with an expiry period of 1 day along with its title and price. And another ticket with an expiry period of 7 days access along with its sale price. The time restrictions I have specified are counted from the moment the ticket is purchased. In this case, viewers will be able to have an option to purchase 1 day's access, 7 days access, 1 month's access, and an annual ticket for the entire year. You can, of course, create various different combinations for these tickets, entering different values where appropriate. After adding the tickets to my package, I can then preview this package and then save and return to my panel. The first video is now associated with the package we have just created. I can now associate this package with any of our videos, repeating the process, saving the package to that video and returning to the user panel. I have applied this package to my first 3 videos in Playlist 1, and now I will create a separate new advanced package for Playlist 2. By clicking Create New Package, this time giving it a new name. In this case, I have named it Views Restrictions Package, creating different sets of tickets which will then be added to this package. Instead of restricting the tickets by expiry period, I will restrict them according to the number of views allowed. In this case, I will limit the number of views to 1, 10, and 20 views, which will then be applied when a viewer purchases a ticket. To apply these tickets to our newly created package, I will check the corresponding checkboxes and save that package. Once saved, the newly created tickets will be associated with the first video, and I will now go ahead and apply our newly created package from the drop-down to our second video in Playlist 2. You can apply these packages to any of your videos by repeating this process, selecting the Save and Return to Panel button. You are now ready to publish your 2 newly created playlists by clicking the Preview and Publish button. Navigate to Generated Embed Code and select Copy, and then pasting it within your website's HTML source. Note, in this example, I am using Notepad and I'm publishing it to my desktop. You can now navigate to your playlists, which should display your newly created packages. I will now go ahead and purchase a ticket, which will then take me through the payment process. Once complete, I will receive a unique access code, which I can then enter to access any of the 3 videos within that playlist. I cannot, however, access any of the videos in our second playlist, as my ticket does not support that package. To add another package to a video, I simply need to navigate to that video's PPV options. Select the package from the drop-down and then click on the Save and Return to Panel button. As you can see, I now have access to that video from Playlist 2, as it now supports the package assigned to Playlist 1, but I cannot access the other 2 videos as they do not belong to this package. If I purchase a ticket for the second playlist, I will be able to access all videos within that package. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. More video tutorials are available from our website.